So I have another keto meal evaluation for you. This is by someone named Vasilis, or Bacillus. I'm not sure how do you pronounce it. Okay, so this is all the data that I have. I don't have anything more than that. Okay, kiwi, sheep yogurt, 5 almonds. And I would imagine this is the snack before lunch. I'm not sure. Maybe this is breakfast. I don't know. I have to get more data on that. And then we have beet leaves, eggs, tomato. And from the picture, it looks like there's 2 eggs there. Boiled chard and cow's milk. Okay, so that's the data that I have. There's some shooting electrical pain on the right side of the body. I'm not sure exactly where. If it's in the upper part of the body, it's going to be gallbladder. If it's in a lower part of the body or even the midsection, it could potentially be gallbladder or kidney. So I'm not sure. You did lose weight, 131 kilograms down to 116 kilograms. So obviously it's working. You drink 4 to 5 liters of water per day. Okay. There is some problems with digestion. So I'm thinking gallbladder. Okay. Needs to exercise. Okay. So let's just kind of look at this. Well, there's a couple things right off the bat that I would change. I would eliminate the fruit, kiwi. I would eliminate the yogurt because yogurt does have too much sugar. I would take these almonds and push them to the meal so we don't have multiple meals. That's going to actually greatly improve digestion right there. I actually like what you're eating. I like the tomatoes, beet leaves, the boiled chard. I mean, it'd be nice to have like a raw salad added onto that, but you're still getting some fiber here, depending on how cooked the vegetables are for the microbes to consume. You're still getting some nutrition, I would imagine, especially if there's beet leaves there, because this is like massive amounts of potassium right here. I think it's like 100, I guess it's basically 1,300 milligrams of potassium per cup. So that's awesome. So that will help you, but I think you need a little bit more, which then will also help the digestion too, as far as the gallbladder area, if there is a gallbladder issue there. Cow's milk, I'm not crazy about that. So maybe do almond milk. That might be better because this is pasteurized and there's just a lot of issues with cow's milk. Okay, so this right here could be kidney or gallbladder, like I said. What you could do is once you have this pain, massage underneath the right rib cage, about an inch down, an inch off the midline, and press in there for a minute or so and see if that pain goes away. If it's your gallbladder, it'll go away like that. And then we know we might need to add some support with your digestion, so maybe some betaine hydrochloride or even bile salts, gallbladder formula or something. But it could be the kidney, because if you're doing, I don't know, 1.5 meals a day, your uric acid can go up with certain people that are prone to that, especially when you're adapting initially. And you could even develop little crystals inside the kidney or even a stone, a uric acid stone, okay? So when you do intermittent fasting in the transition phase, it could increase. The absolute best remedy to counter that is called hydroxycitrate. Hydroxycitrate. You can get that online and start taking that. That dissolves crystals, both oxalate stones and uric acid stones. Also, you can use potassium citrate too, but this hydroxycitrate works a little bit better. You might want to also add lemon water, which by the way will alkalize your body even though it's a citrate, FYI. Need to exercise, I think that's good there. With this much liquid, okay, I would also add some electrolytes to the mix. All right, so those are my suggestions. Go ahead and do it and let me know how you do. Hey, so if you haven't done so, please press subscribe now. That way you can be aware of all the new content that I'm putting out on a regular basis.